Are you tired of duplicate leads across your campaigns? LeadProsper's new Cross-Campaign Dupe Checker is here to help. In this video, we walk through how to use our new Cross-Campaign Dupe Checker that will help users with identifying leads that are duplicate across different campaigns and timeframes. To set up the Cross-Campaign Dupe Checker, open up one of your campaigns and start by scrolling down to the Campaign Settings section. Toggle on the Cross-Campaign Dupe Checker to turn it on. Now that it's enabled, you can set up individual targets for each campaign in your account that you want the dupe checker to check. You can add as many targets as you like. For each target campaign, you will need to configure a matching type, past number of days, and fields. Matching type is similar to our regular dupe checker. If you want to check against more than one field, you have the option to select the matching method. In order for the lead to be considered duplicated, you can set it to either any or all. Selecting any matching field would check across logical or conditional fields, meaning field 1 or field 2 would need to match to be considered a duplicate lead. By selecting all, the dupe checker will check against logical and conditional fields, and if both match, the field will be considered a duplicate. Past number of days allows you to select how many days back to check against this specific target campaign. You can go back up to 365 days. The Fields section allows you to map the target campaign field with your current campaign field. The fields in the target campaign can have different names than the fields in your current campaign, and the Fields section allows you to check across the fields even if the names don't match. You can set up as many campaign targets as you need, each with their own settings. Once you've configured your cross-campaign dupe checker, click Save. Now that it's all set up, any lead that is found to be a duplicate against your settings will display as duplicated with the message "Duplicated by Cross-Campaign Check." Let's address one important caveat about this feature. Fields formats must match across campaigns. The Cross-Campaign Dupe Checker will individually check each campaign based on your configured settings. However, if you are collecting phone numbers in different formats across your campaigns, the matching will not work. If you have any questions about this update, or if you want to suggest new features, our support chat is always available through your LeadProsper dashboard. You can also reach us at support@leadprosper.io. Thanks for watching! We're always rolling out new updates to make your LeadProsper experience even more efficient.